You just yawned reading this title. And that's not a coincidence. Contagious yawning has nothing to do with tiredness. It's a social signal, one your brain learned millions of years ago. Psychologist Andrew Gallup found that contagious yawning is tied directly to empathy. The more you feel for someone, the faster you catch their yawn. It's your brain syncing with the group, checking in, saying, I see you, I'm with you. Chimps do it, dogs do it with humans. Even reading the word yawn can set it off. So, the next time someone yawns and you can't stop yourself, that's not weakness. That's your ancient social brain doing exactly what it was built to do. You just yawned again, didn't you?